everyone, come to my video today. In today's video, I will show you how to automatically comment in bulk on your personal page and Facebook group. First, everyone goes to the viral marketing section. There will be two parts here: commenting on some profile posts and commenting on the group. Today I will guide everyone to comment in the group. Everyone set up the parameters here. Enter the UID of the groups you want to comment on here. Next is to choose the content to comment on and what you want. Once done, the final step will be to select the accounts you want to comment on. Thank you everyone for watching the entire video. See you all in the next videos. If you have any questions or want me to talk about any features, please comment and let me know.